Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the Monster Hunt World connection server issue. So if you are facing the connection server problem in Monster Hunter World, I will tell you how to fix it. I will show you all the steps in this video. You have to follow them and by the end you will be able to resolve the problem. And if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let's watch the video.